We start our day with emails and we work through chats. If we are looking at increasing the productivity of work getting done through intelligent task management, it becomes more and more important to integrate with these kind of productivity tools. It's quintessential. George, you're the solution architect of Intelligent Task Management product. Tell me, how did we bring this advantage in our product?
Thank you, Shruti, for that question. When you say productivity tools, do you mean like Microsoft Outlook, Teams, SharePoint, or even homegrown solutions?
Yes.
Not a problem at all. We have integrated everything with Intelligent Task Management. If you were to take Microsoft as an example, it provides add-ins to integrate third-party applications within its tools. Say for Outlook, we can integrate Intelligent Task Management as an add-in within Outlook. So at the click of a button, you get to convert an email to an actionable work item. Intelligent Task Management is available within Teams. I do not need to switch the context as it is available as a tab. I can convert a chat as an action item. For an extensive user like me, this has been really helpful.
And so it is for many of our customers, and they love it. With the productivity suite of Intelligent Task Management, work gets done.